There are a slew of chronic skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, even oral herpes or cold sores that are directly linked to stress. Stress is harmful to the skin just like it's harmful to every other organ system in the body, and sometimes we forget that skin is the largest organ system in the body, and because it's covering the outer surface of our body, we sometimes take it a little less seriously than we do our internal organs, and we probably shouldn't be doing that. So when you talk about the impacts of stress on your skin, I mean, my gosh, it can be anything from frown lines or worry lines causing deeper or worsening of wrinkles, to dehydration, to acne breakouts. There are a slew of chronic skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, even oral herpes or cold sores that are directly linked to stress, because we know that stress lowers the immune system, so it can have a direct impact on your skin. The key on a gross level is, again, to modify your stress so that it doesn't take a toll on your organ systems, including your skin, and then finding some good topical band-aids, if you will, to treat any skin flares if or when they crop up as a result of stress.